everyone, myself Rajpirakar and you are watching News Moment English channel. Welcome to this channel. Have a look on this breaking news. Delhi Special Police arrested 21 years old climate activist from Bangalore. She is Disha Ravi from Bangalore on Saturday and was produced at Patiala court on Sunday. She was arrested in connection with the toolkit on farmer protest, which was shared on Twitter by teen climate activist Greta Thunberg. Anil Mittal, additional PRO, Delhi police said Ravi has remanded to police custody for 5 days. The special cell is investigating the conspiracy behind the Google document toolkit. Disha Ravi is graduated of Mount Carmel College and is one of founder of Friday of Future India. It is said that police has found that Ravi was one of the editor of Toolkit and also key conspirator in the document found formulation and dissemination. Open scholarship test from Motion for class 7 to 12th student get up to 50% marks. After 28 paise rise on Sunday morning, the per litre rate of petrol with activities for retail scale crossed rupees 100 in some part of India. The key difference between regular and premium fuel cards grade is octane number. Regular fuel has lower octane number, while premium fuel generally gets 91 octane rating. It may be noted that the octane number is measure of the integral quality of fuel. It is to be noted that the price of premium petrol has crossed rupees 100. The Congress launched an attack on both the central and state government, accusing them of misleading people over fuel prices and pushing them towards economic destruction. Price saw a rise for the sixth time since the February 1 union budget and for the 17th time since January 1. Sources said petrol price went up by the around rupees 1.90 per liter, while diesel went up by ground rupees 2 per liter in duration in 6 straight days. Price have been gone up by 1.80 per liter for petrol and rupees 188 for diesel. The relevance hike in prices has been criticized by opposition party including Congress that has demanded an immediate cut in tax to ease the burden of the common man. However, Oil Minister Dharmendra Pradhan last week had told Parliament that the government is not considering a reduce in exercise duty to cool rate from their record lights. Recruiting health insurance advisor, bright career opportunity, full time, part time for Santodia Fadi Police of Kulti Police Station of Asansol Durgapur Police Commissionerate conducted a route march in Fadi area on Sunday to motivate for peaceful voting in the upcoming assembly election. During that time, by interacting with the people, he collected information about the election to be held under the zone. Blood donation camp was organized by Town North DYFI unit in memory of Pulwama Shaheed at AB Type Baranpur. Dignitaries present were Anamika Sarkar, Sagar Banerjee, Hemant Prabhakar, Anujit Sen Gupta, INTUC Neta Harjit Singh, Nawabdeep Manji, Sudeep Manji, Pardeshi, Devi Mukherjee, Pratik Gupta, Bhaskar Prasad, Sonu Singh. Only shop in Asansol, which is famous for its uniqueness. This shop is 100 years old. They have some unique products. They have the variety of khakra, which you don't find in Asansol. They have delicious product. The address of opposite SBI Bank, Simran Roy Road, Asansol. The pin code is 713301. And you have also call on the number 0341 2305 and another mobile number is 9547356154. And they have the unique tasty products: meethi khakra, masala khakra, sadda khakra, Manchurian khakra, cheese khakra, Maggi khakra, chaat masala khakra, mithia khakra, banana chips. Releasing ceremony of books were organized in the hall of Asansol Municipal Corporation, which was presided by Dr. Imam Hazam, Regional Director, Manav, Kolkata. Chief guest was Dr. Masoom Razam Amartvi, ex-special PP Jamui Bihar, EX Ho, Deputy of Urdu Women's College Jamui. Dignitaries present: Dr. Afzal Haq, Dr. Afzar Zafir, Kolkata; Dr. Shabra Khatun Hina, Professor of Raniganj TDB College; Dr. Asim Sahnawaz, Sibli, Kolkata; Dr. Khawaja Hussain of Congress from Kolkata; Dr. Harshad Mohani. Others who cooperated are Khurshid Ghani, Kali Adib, Imran Qureshi, Suleiman Sir, Khurshid Adib, Hassan Warsi, Abdul Munaf Elais, Aziz Ahmad Aiz, Hafiz Singer Alam Anjum. It was organized under the banner of Bazam-e-Nisha or Bazam-e-Miraj. Main writer were Ehsan Saqib, Dr. Isharat Betab, Miraj Ahmad Miraj. Let's hear what Dr. Imam Azad says.
जहाँ था वहीं पे उतरे हैं, जमी के थे जो परिंदे जमी पे उतरे हैं, और तुम्हारी बज़्म को देखा तो ये हुआ महसूस जैसे चांद सितारे जमी पे उतरे।
सुभान अल्लाह, बहुत वाह, क्या बात है।
इल्मो अदब की ये खालिस महफिल, हम लोग सियासत से हमारा ताल्लुक है, लेकिन
अदब का शुक्रिया और इस्तकबाल और इतने 4 किताबों की रूनुमाई एक साथ और इतना कामयाब प्रोग्राम, तमाम उर्दू के माहिर नजूम और सामीन दानिश्वर तमाम की मौजूदगी ये साबित करती है कि कामयाब जितनी और बात दी जाए वो कम है। और इतनी लंबी चौड़ी गुफ्तगू 11 बजे से ये प्रोग्राम का आगाज़ हुआ और तकरीबन 3 बजने जा रहे हैं, और तमाम शेर व अदब के, और सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि यहाँ बच्चियाँ भी हैं, ख़वातीन भी हैं, और पढ़ने लिखने वाली बच्चियों का एक सिलसिला है, काफ़िला है, और उसकी सरपरस्ती हमारे ईश्वर बेताब साहब करते हैं। ये बड़ी बात है, और नई नस्ल जब तक नहीं आएगी उर्दू की हालत अच्छी नहीं है।
Kanpura historic procession led by Barabani MLA Vidhan Upadhyay was called from Salanpur block
Mega bike rally
from Kalitala junction of Salanpur block to junction against the central price hike and fraud on agricultural bill. Where thousands of people joined with motorcycles, tempo, tractor,
मेगा बाइक रैली
of Pulwama attack, Barabaria
आमी कोमलजीत सिंह
paid homage to the martyrs by laying word. Voluntary blood donation camp organized by Basudevpur Jemari Religion Committee in honor of soldier killed in Pulwama attack. Salampur today is celebrated by the people of country as Kala Divas. Today 40 soldiers were martyred for country. In homage to them Basudevpur Jemari Religion Trinamool Congress organized a worth-laying ceremony at Kudama Danga Trinamool office and paid homage to them by lighting candles. The Trinamool Congress
मेगा बाइक रैली
the bike rally procession at Pandeshwar in West Bardhaman district to protest the repeal of the anti-corruption law and anti-cheaper policy of the central government. The procession started from Ram Road, Bihar, following ground on Sunday morning as per the pre-announcement schedule. Today's bike procession moved the 6th Panchayat area of block. Jitendra Tiwari had
मेगा बाइक रैली
Pandeshwar and several
आमी कोमलजीत
were
सिंह
in car with the hood open. The West Bardhaman District Minority Cell has been playing a lockout cricket tournament for the past 15 days in ward number 59 of Kulti. Today was his final game. At beginning of final today, the dead soldiers were paid their respect in Pulwama. Then District Congress President Debas Chakravarti started the game by introducing the player also present as District Acting President Harjit Singh. Presentation rally for Parivartan Yatra was taken out on behalf of BJP in Pandeshwar. General Minister Sri Deep Chakravarti, District Secretary Ramanand Pathak, Krishna Prasad Kushwaha was present.
আরে ওইটা সোজা করো
Bike Mahaprocession was organized by Honda Akhada Mandal BJP under Kasipur Assembly. Consequently of Purulia district, it is led by the Purulia district BJP Secretary Abdul Kalim Ansari, General Secretary Kamal Kant Hansda, Deputy Secretary Rajesh China, Minority Front District President Abdul Ghaffar Ansari, Kasipur Assembly Conver Sarpan Chaudhary and the leadership of Huda Akhada Mandal. Let's hear SMS from News Movement. Talking about our problem is our greatness, addiction. Break the habit. Talk about your choice.